Hello everyone, this is RVer Frank without Kathy and Coco. I'm coming in here at a rest stop out 15 between Barstow and Las Vegas. And I thought I'd give a quick update on this little travel experience. As I said, I'm in a rest area and Kathy and Coco, they're at home. This will be the second trip of a garage load from the RVer Frank garage. And I just got that trailer. It's actually a nice trailer. It's a Carson trailer, 15-inch wheels. It's a 5x8. Anyway, the reason for this journey is we're relocating to Utah. Excited about it, getting into our new house. There'll be more videos on this transition. So this is currently a combined RVer Frank travel and project. So we got about another, or I do, have about another 2-3 hours to get where we're going. Southern Utah, the Dixie area. And so we'll get on the road and get an update next time I need to check the tires.